Introduction. Okay, Mak Min Keropok Leka established in 2022 made fresh and delicious Terengganu style keropok leka using high quality fish. Our business has gained recognition in the local community and many visitors love stopping by to try it. Beyond offering authentic flavor, we also contribute to the local economy, create job opportunities and promote Terengganu traditional food through direct sale and social media. Okay, objective. There are 5 objectives. Number 1, to analyze the background, management and marketing strategy of Keropok Leka Mak Min as a local food enterprise. Number 2, to identify challenges faced by traditional food entrepreneur in maintaining business sustainability. Number 3, to understand the customer demand and preference for traditional snacks such as Keropok Leka. Number 4, to get first-hand insight and recommendation from the interview that can inspire for entrepreneur. And the last one, number 5, to explore Mak Min Keropok Leka marketing strategy via social media to ensure business expose and profitability. Strategy advertising. Number 1, TikTok marketing. Upload short video showcasing preparation, product texture and customer reaction. Number 2, Instagram promotion. Share product image, customer feedback and business update. Number 3, content marketing. Product creative, honest and informative content. Number 4, Facebook advertising. Share business information, location, operating hour and last promotion. Okay, number 5, influencer collaboration. Collaboration with Aiman Sauti. Build credibility and trust. Purchase and goodness promotion. Okay, next, strategy advertising with minimum cost. Keropok Leka Mak Min. Okay, first point, use free social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook for promotion and customer engagement. Okay, number 2, owner create marketing content to reduce cost. Now, number 3, release on word of mouth and customer review to build trust and credibility. And the last one, collaboration with a family connected influencer for authentic low cost promotion. Okay, important of strategy advertising Keropok Leka Mak Min. Number 1, ensure business survival, growth and profitability. Number 2, reach wide audience and engage customer via social media such as TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Number 3, boost brand recognition, customer trust and repeat purchase through TikTok content and influencer collaboration. The last one, support long-term sustainability and adapting to changes consumer trend.
Okay, next we go to 2.0 business selection. First, 2.1 selection of local small business. Keropok Leka Mak Min was selected as reference a local traditional food business in Terengganu that actively use both physical stall and social media for marketing. The next 2.2, name of entrepreneur and firm. The interview was conducted with Kak Ros, the representative of Keropok Leka Mak Min, to gain insight into the business operation and marketing strategy. Okay, next 2.3, location of the business premise. Keropok Leka Mak Min is located at Kampung Telaga Papan, Kuala Terengganu, an area we know for traditional keropok leka production. Okay, for the 2.4, description of the business specialist in producing and selling fresh and frozen keropok leka using fresh local fish, traditional recipe and modern packaging. Okay, 2.5, justification of sustainability in selecting the firm. Keropok Leka Mak Min was chosen because it successfully combined traditional food production with modern branding and social media marketing. Okay, for the last 2.6, evidence of group discussion. The selection of the business ways made through group discussion and WhatsApp combination with the entrepreneur as document.
So next we go to social media audit. So introduction of social media audit is evaluate to effectiveness of online marketing. Audit conducted for Makmi Keropok Lekor, a traditional food SME. Objective: first, understand business background, review current market effort, identify customers, and propose suitable advertising strategy. So next, background of the entrepreneurs and business. So first, small scale business producing traditional keropok lekor, and then use genuine recipes and traditional method. And third, high quality product with the loyal customer. And four, social media not fully utilized for marketing. And lastly, face challenges in online visibility and promotion. Okay, so next, name of entrepreneur and business. So the name of entrepreneur keropok lekor Makmi is Muhammad Helmi. And then business name Keropok Lekor Makmi. And fully locally owned and involved in production, packaging and sale. Okay, next is location of business premise. Located at Kampung Telaga Papan, Kuala Terengganu, and advantage is low operating costs, easy access to raw material, and limitation, low physical exposure, and high dependence on repeat and walk-in customer. So 3.1.3, description of business. Produce raw and fried keropok lekor and made from fresh ingredients and unique recipes. And focus on hygiene, quality and customer satisfaction. Sales mainly from word of mouth, regular customer, WhatsApp order, and lastly, minimal and inconsistent social media presence. So 3.1.4, justification of selection the firm. First, high product potential. Second, weak digital market exposure, low brand awareness outside local area, and lastly, suitable for social media audit to improve visibility and sales at low cost. So 3.1.4.1 about current social media. Platform use Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Issue identify irregular posting, unorganized content and mostly focus on direct selling. 3.2 about proposed strategy advertising. 3.2.1 advertising objective. So first, increase brand awareness. Second, expand customer base. And third, improve customer engagement. And lastly, boost online sale. So 3.2.2 target customer. So Makmi Keropok Lekor target age 80 to 60 years and consumer of traditional Malaysian food, student, employees, family and food lovers, and active social media user. And next, propose advertising platform, of course, at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So next, 3.2.4 type of advertising content. So first, use informationary content, promotional post, engagement-based content, behind-the-scene video, and customer testimonial, and lastly, short video highlighting freshness and texture. So 3.3, interview, question, and analyze based on objective. So small scale traditional food business. Second, family managed enterprise and flexible decision making and good cost control. So marketing mainly through Facebook and WhatsApp business. Also effective in reaching local customer at low cost. And main challenges. First, increasing raw material costs and strong market competition. So next, high demand for traditional steak, show strong market potential and finding support the study objective. So lastly, propose mechanism and strategy for implementation. So first, post consistently minimum 3 posts per week, and then use high quality image and short video. And third, write clear and persuasive caption. And fourth, use WhatsApp business and main customer communication channel. And lastly, encourage customer review and social media sharing. So expected outcome, first, increase online visibility. Second, stronger customer trust. And lastly, long-term business growth and sustainability.
Next, we go to communication skill. First is employment message. its recruitment through Facebook and social media based on required position. Number 2 is job scope explained via WhatsApp before employees start working. Third is employees brief on short background and product knowledge. And number 4 is customer communication via WhatsApp, phone calls, and face-to-face. Next is bad news message. They use a direct method. First is late delivery due to courier issues solved by product replacement. Number 2 is direct method. They test complaint via WhatsApp handled with food replacement. And number 3 is direct method. Also, staff shortage and high demand managed with extra stock, part-time staff, and to supplier. And number 4 is indirect methods, which is clear explanation of problems and solution to employees when sensitive. Next is persuasive message. First is direct, social media and influencer used to attract customer. Number 2 is direct method, product advantages explained directly to a new customer. And number 3, direct method, loyalty program via WhatsApp discount voucher. And number 4 is direct method, good customer service and fast online response. Next, we go to planning, writing, and completion of speech. First is traditional Malaysian snack, now popular and growing. Second, high quality ingredient, which is fresh fish and premium flour. Third is consistent taste and appearance via strict production control. Number 4, it's care at every stage, raw material, cooking, and packaging. Number 4 is innovation while preserving tradition, new flavor, and health conscious option. And next is convenient packaging. It's suitable for home, office, and travel. And lastly is strengthen brand presence and competitiveness. Next is adapting completion of speech and oral presentation. First is independent variable, product quality and innovation, impact customer satisfaction, trust and loyalty. Visual aids highlight process and product. It has 3. First, production process photo, finished product display, and packaging design. Next is innovation strategy. It has new flavors such as spicy, cheese, and herb. And it also have healthy option, low fat, preservative free. And it also convenient packaging for modern consumer. For visual, make the impact of innovation clear and show market adaptability. And lastly, demonstrate how a traditional snack maintain relevant and achieve long-term growth.
Go to number 5 is analysis, supporting, strategies, and advertising. Okay, for the 5.1, challenges faced by Keropok Lekor Mak Ming. First, limited brand differentiation. Keropok Lekor seen as generic. Second, marketing relies mainly on working customer and word of mouth. And third, social media managed informally by family members. And fourth, inconsistent content and weak digital engagement. And the lastly, rising costs, raw material price fluctuation, and strong competition. Okay, next we go to 5.2, SWOT analysis of Keropok Lekor Mak Ming. For the S, strength, authentic traditional taste, and local identify. For the W, weakness, low brand recognition, and no dedication marketing or IT role. For the O, opportunities, growing demand for local food, and JV is joint venture potential with Nasi Belauk business. Okay, for the T, threat, increasing competitor and changing consumer preference. Okay, next we go to 5.3, suggest strategy outcome. Number 1, implement joint venture JV with Nasi Belauk business is the brother restaurant iaitu Aiman Sauti, Cikgu Nasi Belauk. Keropok Lekor include in the said meal. And for 2, continuous product exposure and cross-selling benefit. For the 3, appoint dedicated marketing or IT advertising personnel. And for the number 4, structure content strategy and better social media performance, like we hire the marketing or IT advertising person. And number 5, expected outcome, higher brand awareness, increase sales, long-term sustain.
When you're singing a song.